Did you know that 1 in 3 women experience irregular ovulation without even realizing it? And if that wasn't enough, anovulatory cycles are the leading reason for infertility issues. So today I'm revealing the exact signs of irregular ovulation and the proven methods to fix it naturally. These are the same strategies that have helped thousands of women regulate their cycles, and the best part, you can start implementing them today. If you've ever experienced unpredictable periods, difficulty tracking your fertile window, just frustration with the fertility apps that tell you you're ovulating, but you're not really sure if that's working, or the constant worry about whether you're actually ovulating, you are not alone. The truth is, modern lifestyle factors are wreaking havoc on our hormones. But there is a solution. Before we dive in, let me share something shocking. Studies show that up to 40% of women with normal cycles aren't actually ovulating regularly. This is why understanding your body's signals is crucial. Today, we're covering 3 main areas: how to identify if you're actually ovulating, the top 5 factors disrupting ovulation, and the exact protocol to restore regular ovulation naturally. I've also created a checklist for you to download so that you can go alongside this video and really understand what are your key signs and signals and what do you need to work on specifically for yourself. So, how do you know if you're actually ovulating? Your body is constantly sending you signals. Let me show you. First, grab your thermometer. Every morning before you even sit up in bed, take your temperature. You're looking for a half a degree rise or more after ovulation. That means in your follicular phase, you'll have one temperature and a half a degree or higher in your luteal phase. It's like your body's own Morse code. Next, pay attention to your cervical mucus. I know, it's not the most glamorous topic, but trust me, this is crucial. Around ovulation, your cervical mucus becomes clear and stretchy, like egg whites. I don't really like that description, but it works. You kind of get what I'm saying. This is your body's way of rolling out the red carpet for conception. Last but not least, there are a few physical signs to also look for. So let's talk about what's actually throwing off your ovulation. You might be surprised to learn that your morning coffee routine could be playing a bigger role than you think. Here's what I want you to do tomorrow morning. Instead of reaching for your coffee first thing in the morning, start with a protein-rich breakfast. I'm talking eggs, bacon, leftover dinner, whatever makes sense for you, but make sure it's high in protein. Your hormones will thank you. But it's not just about food. Let's talk about sleep next. That Netflix binge, it's affecting you more than just your energy levels. Blue light exposure after sunset is literally confusing your body's natural rhythm. Try this tonight. 3 hours before bed or at sunset, put on these blue light blocking glasses. Yes, you might look a little silly, but your ovulation depends on proper melatonin production. Blue light effectively blocks the production of melatonin, so absolutely must get rid of the blue light. Now, let's talk about movement. The key is finding the sweet spot. Too much intense exercise can be just as problematic as too little. Gentle movements, 15 to 20 minutes daily. One of my favorites is hip circles or dancing to your favorite music, because that movement is going to help specifically regulate blood flow and circulation to your ovaries and uterus, which is so important for fertility. But if you're not into that, walking is also fine. All of the gentle movement can help to regulate your hormones without overwhelming your system. Let me walk you through a day of ovulation supporting habits. Morning sunlight exposure. Yes, just step outside for 5 to 10 minutes in the morning to help turn on the part of your brain that says, oh, it's morning, time to wake up and raise that cortisol level. This is super important. If you're not getting adequate protein, you're not making the hormones that are going to help regulate your cycle. And without the healthy fat, you don't have the building blocks to make the hormones. So both are really essential. Number 3 is gentle movement throughout the day. As we already talked about it, blood flow and circulation especially to the ovaries, is essential for ovulation as well as egg quality. So get to it. Number 4, a consistent sleep schedule, yes, even on the weekends, is going to help regulate your hormones as well as optimize your ovulation. So don't sleep in on the weekends. Get up, get moving, and regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Remember, implementing these changes consistently is key. Your body wants to ovulate regularly. It's just waiting for the right support. So start with one habit from each category and build from there. Your future self and your baby will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe for more evidence-based fertility tips. And I'm Dr. Amatma. If you're new to this channel, we are all about information-driven, evidence-based fertility optimization done naturally. Comment below with your favorite or biggest takeaway because I love reading your comments and I want to know what you want to hear more about.